Can this really be Apollo noodles?
Yes, it can.
Hi everyone, welcome to Lakaz Mwa, a restaurant in a beautiful garden setting. We got permission to go backstage, so let's go check it out. Oh my word, what is that? Hey, wait a second, I recognize those fingers. Look who our master chef is. What are we having today, Rick?
Apollo noodles.
Wow, Apollo noodles? Back to this weird fruit.
It's a bean. It's a winged bean.
Oh.
And we found them at Flacq market. And I thought, well, this cut sliced like this is going to look pretty awesome.
And a little bit exotic.
It's going to be cool.
I can't wait.
So I'm going to elevate you some Apollo.
Elevated Apollo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Ricky never cooks Apollo. It's always me who does it. Anyway, Rick, open it up and chuck it in the boiling water. Wait, we should boil the water first. Then we'll chuck it in. Flame on. Now remember,
we'll wait for that to boil.
Inside there's a little bag that you must pull out. That's got all the spicing and everything on it. And a little bit of chili. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, ew, why are you doing the blue one? Well, the blue one is Ricky's favorite. Mine is the red one.
It is.
But we're having a special thing today.
Yes, we're going to elevate with some dorado. I've got the dorado here in my ice cream tub, which has been marinating in some soy sauce and other secret things because this is a restaurant and I'm not going to tell you.
She's not going to give away all her secrets. Now, I'll show you a piece outside where we had the whole fish together. Well, this is the piece of frozen dorado. It was 50 rupees, but how beautiful is it? Wow, that glitter on the skin.
I'm going to eat a mermaid.
A mermaid tail. No, Rick. While we're waiting for the water to boil, Ricky's going to do the fish.
I'll wait for that pan to get really hot.
Okay, so the pan is on and the fish is being marinated. And Ricky will explain through the rest when we get there.
So I'm just going to pop a little bit of sesame oil there. And a little bit of regular sunflower oil for our fish. Not too much.
Oh, sizzling away.
Oh yeah, they look so good and they smell great.
And you can already smell it.
The sesame oil is just...
Oh, man. A little bit of marinade on top. I think I'm misting up, everyone. I think I'm misting up. The water is boiling. And in goes the noodles. Back to the fish. Oh, wow. How long do you have to sear it for?
We kind of wing it, but you can sort of see...
Oh, look at that! I guess you see when it's caramelized.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That is a beautiful looking piece of fish.
We're not going to be too pedantic about cooking it all the way because the heat will cook the rest of the fish.
Okay, there you go.
You don't want to overcook fish.
Don't overcook your fish.
Oh, it smells so good.
It really does. That caramelizing of whatever sauce, magic sauces you put on it. Okay, the Apollo is starting to boil in there a bit. Oh, add the little crumbles from the pan, of course.
No wasted food.
Okay, so this is the trick. You just have to stir the one so that the other can get under the water as well.
They'll get there. Apollo's really easy to cook.
And it is one of my favorite noodles.
Oh, what's great is that it doesn't dissolve in liquid.
Yes, they always keep their shape.
Cool. Fish out.
Fish is coming out. Oh.
Those look so great.
They really do.
I know I'm not supposed to say it myself, but...
Man, that looks good. Is it the cook or the fish? Okay, we're adding the seasoning in now. We're not going to add the chili seasoning because we're going to add our own chili. But this seasoning...
You're giving the rest of the people this. This is my kitchen.
Sorry, Rick.
You have no idea what's going on. You're just an innocent bystander.
Yeah, no. Oh, what's the chef doing now? What was that powder that you put into the Apollo?
Yeah, it's the powder that comes with the Apollo.
It is the seasoning, and this is the shrimp one, or the prawn one.
Yeah, shrimp, prawn, Same thing. I really like it.
Yes, it is really nice. It's refreshing. It's a lot more refreshing.
And how long do these cook for?
It's about 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay, cool.
So we've got about another 2 minutes. But if it goes for 5 minutes, that's fine as well.
Right, so the beans. This is how I always do beans in my restaurant. So although I don't know what these beans are, I heard that they're a bean.
Beans must be treated like beans.
And you gotta love this one pot cooking.
Well, 2 pots. Remember, we got the noodles still on.
Okay, so a bit of butter in there.
Oh, I just love melting butter in a pan. Oh, and you just chuck your beans in. Oh, they look so exotic. They really do with their little star shapes.
Bit of salt.
A little bit of salt. I don't know why I'm roboting you. Oh, that looks like lemon.
Yes. Lemon brings out the beautiful greeniness of beans.
Okay.
And then you just counter that lemon. A little sprinkle of sugar.
Never boil beans. Ricky said so. Oh, and it's going to get the lovely caramelization from the fish caramelizer.
Because this is a fusion restaurant.
Whoa.
We're taking gorgeous Mauritian ingredients and just elevating it a little bit. Apollo is now going to become this gourmet dish. You don't want to overdo these. You still want them to be nice and crunchy, but just warmed.
Oh, wow. Look at them, the butter gurgling inside.
Great.
Oh, man, it smells so good. And into the bowl they go. So Ricky's going to start slicing the fish. I mean, the chef. The chef will tell you what they're doing.
Oh, just cutting nice chunks.
Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Do we get like free samples because we've been so good waiting so long?
You can try this little end piece.
Oh, wow.
Good fish. You approve?
Well approved.
Some fresh ginger.
Fresh ginger.
Fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic. I'm doing it again.
Pick up all those flavors. Oh, bit of sesame oil. Oh, that garlic.
Oh, when you smell it. And the ginger as well is now starting to come through. Wow.
The noodle.
Okay, here comes the noodle. Load and into the pan. Remember to keep the sauce to one side, because some people like gravy noodles.
Yeah.
Some people being me. Oh, and look at them starting to golden up. I love it when the sauce goes on like that. It's still too steamy. The steam's blowing in my direction. Sorry, everyone.
Oh, the smell is amazing. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm using a metal thing, but this is a very, very old frying pan.
Very, very old. It's not a non-stick anymore. The stick is, we've long eaten the stick off of
It
it.
sticks, yeah. A little bit of soy sauce there.
A little bit of soy sauce.
A bit more colour. I think we're good.
We good.
Time for plate.
Time for plating.
Brian likes the broth, and we're making, because he's a special customer,
Yes.
a really big bowl.
You
A
see,
giant serving.
a proper full-size serving. In goes the noodle. I love my noodles in the broth. I really do. Look at it. Look how it like oozes into the broth. Oh man. I'm in the way of the next one. Ricky likes hers dry.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh man, they're so golden delicious. Sorry, my thing keeps misting up. It's just because they're all
They're
steamy.
steaming and hot. Okay, then I'm going to put some of the fish. The gorgeous dorado.
So some dorado on the side.
Lots of gorgeous dorado.
Because we got tons of gorgeous dorado. Better save some for yours.
Oh no, this is one dorado fillet.
What? We get a whole fillet?
Yeah.
But that's so much.
It's a generous restaurant.
That's why it's my favorite restaurant.
Reaching over you.
And now the greenery.
Those gorgeous, gorgeous winged beans.
Oh.
Wow. Egg. How's you eat?
It is a small kitchen, everyone, but it produces good food.
The best food.
Cut through in the egg. Ooh.
sauce on it. Sorry, my fingers.
There we go. Don't worry about that too much. And look at that. Look at that plate of yumminess.
And then...
Oh, wait. There's more.
Brian.
Red chili, everyone. My favorite.
Gorgeous red chili.
Oh, man. It looks so beautiful, Eric.
Bit of fresh coriander.
A little bit of fresh coriander. Oh, it looks so good. It really looks so good.
Coriander.
Bit of coriander on the egg.
Just a little bit over the fish.
Oh, man.
And then...
Oh, there's something being sprinkled. We can't see.
Because of that sesame oil.
You're putting sesame. Okay, we couldn't see it because your hand wants to be on focus. Look at that. Sesame all over it.
And then last step.
Last step. A little grinding of black pepper. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Yeah, Apollo noodle. Elevated.
That is just Apollo noodle, everyone.
Yeah.
Just for show, you can pull them off later. Oh, man. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And then the final piece de resistance.
Sprinkle of sesame.
Oh, man.
Left-handed.
Thanks, Rick. Appreciate it.
I'm a little bit ambidextrous.
And on with the black pepper. I'm making you have to do it the wrong way for photography.
Gorgeous.
What gorgeous meals.
Let's go eat it.
Let's go eat it.
All right. Million photos.
Million photos. This stuff is going to be ice cold by the time we eat it. I'm at the table waiting patiently for it to arrive. Look at it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, I'm going to stand up. Oh, wow. Oh, man. That is it. Ricky's going to get a bit of footage of me sitting in front of it in a minute. And that's Ricky's. Oh, in this garden setting with that beautiful plant on the table. It's a piece of coriander. Yeah, we gotta get a bit of greenery. Looking at Ricky's bowl.
And a fork for madame.
Fork for madame. Because they know us here. So they know Ricky always uses a fork and has less chili.
We might have issues.
And I use chopsticks. We've got issues. This is the problem. Can this really be Apollo noodles?
Yes, it can. I really do love this garden setting.
It is a fantastic setting. And the food, I'm gonna try some of the noodle first.
Good.
Oh, the sesame does. Oh, and the garlic. Oh. Oh, that is really good. Wonder how it goes with the fish. Have a look at that mouthful.
Hot still, yeah?
Nice to eat hot food for a change.
How those little weird things?
I want to try one. What if they taste horrible and we've done this whole thing with... Oh, they're crunchy. Oh, they're really nice.
Yeah, it's like a bean.
I think it's more like a snap pea. You know those little snap peas?
Okay. Mange tout.
Yes, those. I love them.
Oh, wow, awesome.
I don't know if it's because of what you did to them. Well, they naturally like that.
What the chef did today.
Yeah, what the chef did. I've got to try the broth. And I didn't get a spoon, remember?
It's okay, this is a very accommodating restaurant. We're used to you doing weird things here.
Oh, elevated broth as well. Oh, yes. Now that you've got the garlic and ginger in it.
A bit of sesame.
Top restaurant. Well, Ricky's got the dry noodles. Oh, she's going to take the chili off first. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, put it in mine. I feel the tingle on my mouth already.
Have some more chili. I want to try one of these bean things.
Yes, definitely. Give it a go.
Picking things up with my fingers again. Ooh.
Uh-huh. It's surprising, eh?
I like like those. I'm going to get those again.
Definitely, if we can find them. I've never seen them before or since.
Oh, I got the gorgeous noodle.
Yes.
You can see the noodles. And Polo is a great noodle.
Polo is a great noodle because it can take a bit of punishment.
Some fish.
And some fish. Swinging around for a bit of reaction. That is it.
Really good.
Compliments to the chef. I'll let her know. It was really good. Thank you in the kitchen. Just kidding. It was Ricky who cooked it. You probably know that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. A lot of you have been asking, what do we eat at home? Well, sometimes it's just simple Apollo noodles. But Ricky does like to get creative. So, and I'm happy with it because I get to eat this.
Yeah, I really enjoy taking like street foods or things that are pretty commonplace and just making them, I suppose, a little healthier, making them a complete meal, adding things, zhuzhing them up. Actually, it's quite hard to, even just on my fingers, it was like, wow.
What chili is that? I thought that was the
I
mild
don't know,
one.
those little red chilies are potent.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they're great. So if you guys have enjoyed this, put a comment, see if you'd like to see us elevate any other commonplace dishes.
I love Ricky's elevated food, so please comment lots.
And there's not much I can't do, so
Set us a challenge. Set Ricky a challenge.
how beautiful is that coconut tree and all the sunshiny glory.
Oh, man. And how beautiful is this meal?
It is so lovely.
Okay, it looks a little messy now.
Oh no, it still looks beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. This was fun. I hope you guys are enjoying it because I'd love to do more.
Yeah, me too.
So for those of you who like to know costs of things, this particular dish is about 50 rupees each. Yeah. Yeah, that entire dorado, frozen dorado, was 50 rupees. And then everything else on top is about another 50 rupees. I know, pretty good meal for 50 rupees. That's why we come here so often.
Because I don't take our money. I think it needs a bit more coriander.
Use the pot plant.
That's what pot plants are for. Why would you have a pot plant if it wasn't going to give you a little bit extra coriander?
That's cool. People should do that and actually put a chili bush maybe as well.
That would be epic, a chili bush.
And you can add your own chili.
Oh man, what a brilliant idea. And I thought coriander was brilliant. Well done, Rick. Well, everyone, Lakaz Mwa, fantastic place. Well, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. We live here.
Turn around, go back.